Hi guys, so this is the DDPAI Z40 front dash cam, and it shows how this front dash cam is installed to the windscreen. So first there would be one sticker, I think electrostatic kind of sticker, and then there will be one base module, base bracket, and next it is the front dash cam unit is attached to that bracket. And this portion is the lens along with the CPL filter installed newly, and this is the area through which the hole, some holes are visible here, and it captures the sound from the cabin inside the cabin. So this is the front portion, and if you see just below this FASTag sticker, you can see two number of wiring connections, wiring termination. So left side one is the power for the dashcam, power and signal, and the left one which is kind of 3.5 mm connection, aux connection, it's a golden color. So this is coming from the rear dashcam unit, and here you can see two number of cables visible, two cables. And some visuals from this side as well. So the mounting bracket area and the dash cam, and two number of cables. One is for powering this front dash cam, another is connection from the rear dash cam. So in our Swift, the fuse box is somewhere here, and the hardwired cable, the hardware cabling kit is located here somewhere. This is the driver footwell, and this portion is removable. So they routed this cable through here and up to the fuse box. So everything is inside the hardwired cable kits, and there is one grounding terminal which is to be connected to this kind of bolt. I'm not sure whether it is visible. Yeah, this kind of bolts. So here inside, after removal of this plastic cladding, you can see kind of one or two bolts available. So here it is, the front dash cam, and how does it look like, and I'm not sure whether cablings are visible. Yeah, cable terminals. Just try to focus. Yeah. So right hand side, right one is for powering this dash cam, coming from the fuse box, which is looks like kind of USB, and left hand side is the connection from the rear dash cam. And these cables are then routed through this roof liner. This roof liner, it comes to the A-pillar. A-pillar cladding was removed, this plastic cover was removed, and it was routed through, then goes to dashboard, and goes inside and this area. Then for the rear dash cam, the cable leaves the A-pillar, and this roof liner was removed. So there was one in tool, a very small scalpel type of tool, which helps you to remove this one and insert the cables inside, and again put it back. And for the B pillar, there was kind of one channel through which it went inside. Again it was routed like this, and it goes to all the way to the C pillar. And this is the coupler which I was talking about. This is a hard one, it cannot bend. And this is the rear dash cam unit, and you can see the cables, and it is just glued. and this is rotatable. The lens, no, the lens part is rotatable. I'll just open and show you. So once the cable reached the C pillar, then it comes inside, and the installer opened this portion, this cable cover or cable conduit we say, and it was routed through here, and it comes all the way here. They removed this cladding as well, this plastic cladding, just for the ease of installing this cable. And then it came out like this, but he struggled due to this coupler. This coupler could not be installed here inside this metal part. So there is a small gap, could be maybe 3 or 4 mm between the glass and the metal part, so it must be there in the chimney also. And he put some rubber material here, you can see rubber material here and here, and it is routed like this. So we have to hide this one, this hard coupler. It is around 3 inches of length, 2.5 to 3 inches of length, so roughly maybe 60 to 75 mm. So that's all.